Hello everyone, this is Dr. Krup Pasavada and our today's topic of discussion is the Indian Penal Code 1860, that is IPC 1860. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing. Let us see introduction. The IPC 1860 is the main criminal code of India. It is a comprehensive code. So ये जो कोड है एक व्यापक कोड है intended to cover all substantive aspects of क्रिमिनल लॉ। सो जो आपराधिक कानून है उसके सभी मूल पहलुओं को ये कवर करता है। The code was drafted in 1860 on the recommendation of the first Law Commission of India, established in 1834 under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay. It came into force in the year 1862. The code has since been amended several times. So ये जो फर्स्ट टाइम उसका जो गठन हुआ वो 1862 में हुआ, देन उसका अमेंडमेंट हुआ है एंड इज नाउ सप्लीमेंटेड बाय अदर क्रिमिनल प्रोविजंस, और अभी वो अदर क्रिमिनल प्रोविजन से सप्लीमेंटेड है। ऑब्जेक्टिव देखेंगे, द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस एक्ट इज टू प्रोवाइड अ जनरल पिनल कोड ऑफ इंडिया। Structure: the Indian Penal Code of 1860 subdivided into 23 chapters and comprises 511 sections. So उसका जो डिटेल है वो हम ये जो स्लाइड है उसके बाद हम आपको देंगे उसका एक डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन। The code starts with an introduction, provides explanation and exception used in it, and covers a wide range of offenses. So अभी जो है वो पूरा हम स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे चैप्टर वाइज। So chapter 1 covers 1 to 5 sections, and in that introduction is given. In chapter 2, general explanations. In chapter 3, punishments. In chapter 4, general exceptions of the right of private defense. In chapter 5, of abatement. Chapter 5a, criminal conspiracy. Chapter 6, offenses against the state. Chapter 7, offenses to the army, relation with the army, navy, etc. Chapter 8, offenses against public tranquility. Chapter 9, offenses by or relating to public servants. Chapter 9a, offenses relating to elections. Chapter 10, contempts of lawful authority of public servants. Chapter 11, of false evidence and offenses against public justice. Chapter 12, offenses relating to coin and government stamps. Chapter 13, offenses relating to weight and measures. Chapter 14, offenses affecting the public health, safety, convenience, defense, and decency and morals. Chapter 15, offenses relating to religion. Chapter 16 consists of affecting the human body, of offenses affecting life, including murder and culpable homicide. It also comprises of causing of miscarriage or injuries to unborn children, of hurt, of wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement, of criminal force and assault, of kidnapping, abduction, slavery, and forced labor, and sexual offenses including rape and sodomy. Chapter 17, of offenses against property, of theft, of extortion, of robbery, dacoity, of criminal misappropriation of property, of criminal breach of trust, of the receiving of stolen property, of cheating, of fraudulent deeds, and disposition of property, of mischief, of criminal trespass. Chapter 18, offenses of documents and properties, offenses relating to documents, offenses relating to properties and other marks, offenses relating to currency notes and banknotes. Chapter 19, criminal breach of contracts of service. Chapter 20, of offenses related to marriage. Chapter 20a, of cruelty by husband or relatives of husband. Chapter 21, of defamation. Chapter 22, of criminal intimidation, insult and annoyance. And chapter 23, attempts to commit offenses. So you can subscribe this channel, you can click bell icon, and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.